God bless you, people of God. It's good I made this announcement because it's getting out of hand. I've come to realize recently that when people want to do their business, if they don't put Ebuka Obi or Zion Ministry, they won't do that business. If people want to grow their page, they will start with Ebuka Obi or Zion Ministry before their pages can grow. I am not against it. That is what fame is causing. But I am against it when people are being defrauded with my name. I can see that one voice note is circulating, and the enemy is circulating it. Is wrong information. Don't listen to it. Recently, since we did the crusade in August, many have been selling land in Ngopala and every other places with Ebuka Obi. Have estate Ebuka Obi that I'm not even aware of. We have not sold any plot of land in Ngopala. The land we acquired from government is for university that will start very soon, general hospital that we are going to start very soon, water company, oil company, candle factory, secondary school, primary school, industries, and auditorium that will help our people, that will create jobs, is for development of Ala Igbo and Nigeria. A place that will be a tourist center and the whole world will be coming. Like what happened in August last year. We are not selling. We have not sold any. And we have no agent selling for us. Anybody selling land, telling you Ebuka Obi is a fraudster, is a criminal. So many are selling land different places, even Gopala, that we are selling for Ebuka Obi. They are thieves and criminals. Don't listen to them. The announcement I make on Sunday, I made it with myself. Few individuals that want to help Zion to build hotel, because so many people say, oh, I will have to build 2 decades, 3 decades. I have been having meetings with different companies, even foreign companies, that will commence work, the road infrastructure, those that will commence the hospital and the schools. I've been having meetings, signing contracts with them. The announcement I announced is that Zion people that can build hotel to help us in coming crusade. Anybody telling you Zion is selling land, come, we will allocate some land for you. That person is deceiving you, and be careful. Remember that many, out of desperation to be close to Zion Ministry, they have bought land that is allocated for government, that in future they are set to lose it. Be very careful. I am not selling the land. I don't even have capacity to sell. Even the land I have there is not even enough for what we are doing. Zion is like a nation, a powerful institution that is all over the world. We're going to have university, secondary school, primary school, general hospital that have not been seen anywhere in Igbo land. We are starting already. Go there, the fencing have started, another work will commence. God bless you. I love you. Don't be duped in the name of Ebuka Obi. Remember, we are still the one of our 21 days fasting and prayer. God bless you. I love you.